Hi, I'm Remie. I'm currently studying at Shrewsbury International School, and I've been here for 15 years. I currently take psychology, history, and maths, and I'll be off next year to study psychological behavioral science at the London School of Economics. I have an older sister who has graduated from Shrewsbury here in 2019, and my two younger brothers will be joining sixth form next year. I like the opportunity to learn new things. I think with the curriculum that we have, starting with IGCSE and then A-levels, it allows you to really explore more of what you want and then really hone in on the specific things. So for example, I was able to study drama and so many other subjects in IGCSE, and then I realized what I really wanted to study at A-levels, but I was given the opportunity to explore that before I really had to choose it and then finalize my decision for university. I felt very supported throughout my entire journey here at Shrewsbury, and I think that's one thing the school does really well is get the parents to engage in on a student's life as well. I was lucky enough to meet so many loving individuals, and I felt that the classroom was always safe for me, especially with my teachers currently in sixth form. I feel very supportive, and I think they've really shaped the way that I view learning, but also the way I view, just everyday life. At Shrewsbury, we kind of have a very nice pathway into going higher up in the school and also getting to engage in more leadership positions, and seeing the people before me do all prefect and all those kinds of things. It really inspired me to take the same step. Just certain classes with certain teachers I think will always stay special to me. I was, always lucky enough to find amazing friends and also amazing teachers, and something I'll always remember. Every time I talk to my parents, and they always see the way I've changed growing up and how I've always engaged in school life where I've done sports and I've done extracurriculars. I think it's very rewarding for parents to see the end final product, and I think the same goes for me and also all of my friends. I think we've changed immensely, and a lot of it is due to the school and the support that's always been here throughout. Now I want to go into psychology in the hopes of coming back to Thailand, and I want to open a bilingual clinic for teenage mental health, just because I think the support is lacking a bit in Thailand specifically.